You know, I really didn't think I would be bringing this much stuff up north, but yeah, that happened. Hopefully I don't forget anything. In case anyone wonders, this is how I pack. Don't you just love my packing skills?
That's great, Dad.
Road trip. Woo! No one's hyped.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
In the dark?
Yes. So we're going up north and we're going skiing and I feel really tired.
Yes.
So my camera will not focus on my face. It will only focus this close.
Better?
Hello YouTube. Keep shining light, dude. Hello YouTube.
That's Devon's nostril.
I reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. I will be vlogging for the weekend. Well, actually, I'll be vlogging more than just the weekend. Let's see how this goes.
I'll be vlogging my potatoes sometimes.
I'm really tired and I'll probably have more enthusiasm tomorrow. You can't see anything. Whoa, this is a lot of snow. Canada. I feel so proud to roll up the rim.
So I'm gonna say we break up our days into 6-hour days. No, 8-hour days.
We're planning to walk to VidCon.
8 and then divide by 8. 101 days.
Why are you doing math on the weekend?
Why am I doing math on the week? It's fun, Ella. Ella, hang on, I'm getting the pizza in a milk bag.
We survived. Somehow we're alive. Yeah. Made it. Made it. Go out into the wilderness. Ooh. Yes.
I remember when you two walked out.
So this is our cottage. This is where we're gonna be staying. My garbage bag. This is my clothes. My pants are falling down.
Did your phone break?
It snapped. So we made it inside alive, and now I'm gonna show you the inside of our cottage thing. Dad, you're a tour guide. Go.
What would you like to see?
Everything.
The room?
There's skis on the ceiling. That's a first. There's a table. There's a kitchen.
Scotch bottle.
Where? There's a scotch bottle. And then downstairs is dark. If you go downstairs, so there's a surfboard back there. I don't know why. But this is the beds. Really fancy. I'm gonna be sleeping here. Charlie's gonna be sleeping there. Yes? What is happening?
YouTube fight!
No!
Get her hair!
No!
Devon, you'll get like 100,000 subscribers if you tell this video, girls fight YouTube.
Hi, people.
That was interesting. Those are people. I don't know who they are really. And that's pretty much it. I don't know why I still have my coat on. Oh wait, we can show upstairs. What does it look like outside?
Winter.
No, it actually looks like winter. Upstairs is not very interesting. There's just a TV, a bed. Yeah. And tomorrow we're going skiing and it's supposed to be a high of -40 Celsius. I think -40 Celsius is -40 Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be -40 Celsius in Fahrenheit tomorrow and we're gonna go skiing. So it's gonna be fun. Canada. So there's gonna be 2 feet of snow tomorrow and it's gonna be -40 and my pants are falling down. This is like,
This is what I look
legitimately my pants are falling down.
And this is Charlie.
So my plan tomorrow, I'm gonna put on every single piece of clothing possible and just see what happens. Like every shirt. I'm probably gonna be wearing about 8 shirts or something.
I'm just gonna wear 2 long sleeves.
Well, it's gonna be -40.
Yeah, 2 long sleeves should do it.
No, I don't think you understand how cold -40 is.
I do.
You don't even
See?
know. That's great.
How many pants should I wear tomorrow?
16. So this is what I did to my belt. Somehow it just decided to break in half earlier.